Welcome. Today I am here with one of my wonderful clients, Karina, and we're just going to talk about what she does, who she helps, and a little bit more about her business. So, Karina, how are you doing today?
I'm good. I'm very excited to be with you talking about digital stuff.
Amazing. Hey, I like that necklace. It says CEO.
Yes, it's for one of my brands. I have a jewelry e-commerce brand besides my digital products.
Yeah. Well, I guess that kind of leads in because what I was going to do before get into, kind of more of the juicy stuff, I was curious if you could just tell us a little bit more about, who you are and what does your business do and like how does your business make money?
Okay, basically, I start 15 years ago when I started crafting my own jewelry. And then I decided in 2015 to create a website about it and start selling online. But that time from Mexico, and in Mexico it's relatively not relatively, it's a hard word that I choose. But it's basically new all the things of e-commerce, so it was a big fail, of course, because I didn't know I need Facebook ads to give traffic to my stores. Fast forward to 2020, pandemic kicks and my business grow like a lot. I
Yeah.
started to only sell in Mexico, and then I opened my international store. I sell in countries like the US, UK, Australia, everywhere was using my necklace.
Yeah.
And then I had a big burnout in 2021 because I started to growing, and also I did bad investments. So basically my company was in bankruptcy at that time, and I was in the middle of burnout. So in 2022 I decided to take a break, and that's what I learned, that people were asking me like, hey, how can I do like a Shopify store, or how can I promote my store? So I decided to start recording me and teaching them, because honestly, I I think I'm not good teaching one-on-one. It's like a lot of time, and I'm also have a kid, so my daughter has 7 years, so I cannot steal time from her.
Mhm.
Like if I were single, okay, I have plenty of time, but right now it's like, no, I don't want to do that. So I decided to record everything and start selling. And then I realized like, oh my God, this is better than, it's my baby, of course, my jewelry brand, but this is way better because all the money that came in, it's 100% profit almost. Uh, but yeah, basically that's my story.
That's awesome. So you started with the jewelry brand, so like selling the physical products, and like you said, that's your baby. So I mean, you've had it, and it looks like you still do it a little bit, right?
Yeah, I'm still doing it, but right now I'm like in vacation mode. I'm not putting so many efforts, because just to remember all the things that I have to do in order to grow the company. Yeah, customer service and problems with the shipping. It's like, no, no, thank you. I really
Yeah.
want to continue with creating more digital brands.
Yeah. So now you've started with the digital products and just sharing. I mean, you've done it for many, many years, e-commerce. So you're kind of just sharing these different strategies and such. So I'm curious, this kind of transition happened where you're doing more digital products. But in regards to like, let's say the program, how did you actually, find out about digital dropshipping mastery?
Well, I've been following you for like 4 years, I think. So
Wow.
I saw the transition from the drop shipping to digital drop shipping. And the thing is, I really like to follow drop shippers, because dropshippers always want fast sales, and the
Mhm.
culture here right now, it's like, no, you have to create a community and blah blah blah. But for me it's like, no, branding and sales, those things.
Mhm.
So I found you on YouTube, and then I start following you. And then when I start growing my personal brand, I decide like, okay, I need more help. And also I'm a solopreneur, so I kind of feel unmotivated. It's a word.
Mhm. Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
Because, you know, I'm not that kind of disciplined person. So this year I decided like, no, I need to be surround like-minded people like me. And that's why I decided to, okay, I'm going to start the digital drop shipping mastery.
Yeah, well, that's
Yeah.
awesome. So I mean, basically just to kind of kickstart the process, get yourself around other people doing it. I know you're in our live calls, essentially every week at this point. So I love having you
Yes.
there, and it's always a great time. But now since you've been in it, I'm curious, and for the people to know, what have your results been lately?
Okay. The past few months I have like 5K a month. And this month I have struggles to earn more than that, but my results are kind of the same. But right now I'm creating the foundation. Like, I've been working only with pay media.
Mhm.
And right now I'm working with my organic strategy and with emails. Decide like, no, I need to have like an ebook first instead of selling directly my medium ticket course. And it gives me like a full picture of the things that I can do and start from small and then upselling products, right?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, it makes a lot of sense. I mean, really, you start with a digital product that's valuable. I mean, and congrats on what you've been able to accomplish so far. I mean, I think you've
Thank
already
you.
built a foundation. Like, you've already proved your concept, and now we're just kind of, optimizing everything you're already doing. So next, 10K a month, 15K a month, 20K a month, and up,
Yes.
building and providing value to people as well, and changing their lives. And now the interesting thing, you do all of your products in Spanish, right?
Yes, I found a gap in this niche. Every content that I can see in YouTube is in English. So there is not a lot of people talking about e-commerce in Spanish. And so I decided to be me the first person to do it.
Yeah, that's amazing. And were you doing any sales with digital products before you joined the program or no?
Well, yes, I started my course on 2020, like
Hmm.
mid 2020, but I was like, how to say that? Like, some months I take like a lot of actions and then others I
Yeah,
don't. But since like last year, I decided like this is going to be my primary source of income. So yeah.
yeah, that's amazing. Well, I love it so far, what you've been able to do. I love your energy as well. You're always very positive. You're very
Thank
creative.
you.
Like, I love the necklace. Now, I'm just curious, like, from your perspective as a client inside of just the mastery program right now, what would you say, your three favorite things about the program, if you had to choose?
Okay, the first one is the weekly calls. Definitely makes me feel like, oh no, I didn't do the homework, example. Like, I need to feel pressure. So the weekly calls are a reminder. It's a reminder to do the work.
Mhm.
And the second thing, it's the program. I mean, the videos are like straight to the point. I like that. And also it's the community. The first week I joined the program, I already made a friend from Spain. So that's really cool because you can make connections. Yesterday I was talking with Jay, and we were talking about strategies to do, and the community is awesome.
That's amazing. Well, I,
Yeah.
I really, I really appreciate your feedback there. And, I guess one question that I guess last one on my mind here is, what would you say to anybody who's maybe heard of the program and considering joining, but just kind of on the fence?
Okay. I got it from the point where I was an entrepreneur. I wasn't sure like if I'm going to get my money back from the investments and things like that. But the program is a shortcut from all the things that you can do by yourself, like watching your videos or watching YouTube, but you can accomplish so much more if you take the course, because again, it's a shortcut. It's like a cheat code that you gave us to make quicker sales or grow the business. Right now I have the advantage that I'm teaching what I know. I'm sorry if my English
No,
doesn't
it's
make
great.
sense, but
It's
it's my
great.
second language. But yes, my plan is okay, take the course and create more stores, not from my knowledge. I know, do the research and see what's trending and create products from that. And yes, you gave all the tools basically.
That's amazing. I really, really appreciate that. Now, is there any last just thoughts or ideas or things you want to say to anybody who may be watching this right now? And
Okay, well, the first thing is, if you have in your heart the desire to change your life, you have to work for it. Consistency wins.
there we go. There you go.
Exactly. And the difference that I see with my students and with myself, with you, it's if I put the work every day, I'm going to see a little change. And if it doesn't work, well, you go back and try again. But the desire never has to, I don't know, have an ending or something. If you have this in mind, you have to put the effort.
Yeah, it makes a lot of sense. The consistency wins. Just taking
Exactly.
action, and see, like you said, if something doesn't work, you can take a look and try and understand maybe why it didn't. And then,
Mhm.
just keep going with that lesson in mind, and then you'll achieve the result you want.
Yes.
Well, it's been a great several minutes here together. I really, really appreciate your feedback. I really, really, like, genuinely do appreciate you hopping on here for this quick little interview. And I'm excited to see what more you accomplish as you continue on this journey.
Yes, me too.
All right, Karina. Well, I'll see you tomorrow in our live call.
Perfect. See you tomorrow.
All right, sounds
Bye.
good. Have a great day.
You
Bye.
too. Bye.